Hello, this tutorial will take you through how to print off your labels when you are a print user in LabelLogic Live. All of your product information will already have been entered for you, and the only section you will need to visit is our print center. Simply select the print list on the left hand side and all the relevant products will appear. Enter a quantity of how many labels you need and add any relevant changes like the price. Once you have chosen what you want to print, click the print button. Make sure you fill in any prompts at this screen and then click print. This will now generate a PDF that you can send to your printer for perfect looking labels. If your head office has not created any print lists, you will need to add your own. Open up the print center, click on create, give your print list a name, select the label you are using, then select the template, then click save and this print list is now available for you. To add products into the list, click on add. Select the product category on the left, click on add next to any of the items you would like to add to the list. Once you have added all you need, click on save in the top right corner. This has now populated your list. You can now add the quantities and any other information needed and then click print.